Hey everybody, welcome to Baking It Right. For today's video, we are looking at the one and only idiot sandwich. You probably think I'm talking about some Gordon Ramsay meme, but no, that is not what I'm doing. Keep watching and I think you might get what I mean by idiot sandwich. So the first step to achieving an idiot sandwich is toasting some cheese on some store-bought bread. Store-bought is key. Are you seeing it yet? Come on. Store-bought bread. Put that in the toaster and thinly slice a tomato. And no, I'm not doing this because of Wusthof. I mean, I have a Wusthof knife. And, okay, yeah, I'll be honest. I'm doing it because of Wusthof. Maybe one day they'll sponsor us, but look how thinly you can slice that tomato. Look at that. Then thinly slice one yellow onion. I did yellow because it's less acidic, but you could definitely do red. Every time I do red, my eyes are destroyed. So, now once your cheese is fully melted, split your bread in half and add a few slices each of onion and tomato. Then a few dill pickles, a generous dollop of sauerkraut, which sounds kind of weird, but I love sauerkraut. I mean, I just tried it last week and it's delicious. And if you really want to express idiot in that sandwich, put some ketchup, but I prefer you didn't. And then top it off with your other slice of bread and stick a fork in it, even though the sandwich didn't do anything to humanity except bless it with something called a heart attack. Now, if you're not feeling like eating an idiot sandwich, then you can upgrade it to smart by making a grilled cheese, then open it up and put the exact same toppings, and you got yourself one smart sandwich. And now I can truly say that one ingredient really can make a difference.
I always hate this part. Okay. I hate this part even more. Okay, I'm okay.